now if you want. The sound of the bell, come on out, handle your business. Let's go. Ready to fight, handle, go.
Here we go. Vader trying to get rid of a little bit of nervous energy he's got in him. Fedor being the normal stoic guy is going to do a little bit of half hitch. That's his fate. And watch for that right. Oh, it's going to be over.
Big shot. And it's all over.
You want to call it. Frank Mir called that fight a couple of minutes ago when he said that lead left hook. He saw that as the shot that could be the difference in this fight, just like it was in the Mo Long fight, and absolutely called it perfect. There's your lead left hook. It hits him. It hurts him. It's over at that point.